This is going to be a video product review of the TISSCARE electric Shiatsu foot massage and calf leg massager. The massager has a deep kneading massage, a vibration massage. It is a rolling massager. It has heat. It will heat up to 112 degrees if you wanted to. It is great for tired feet, for sore legs, for plantar fasciitis. I'm going to show you some of the features of this, and then I'm going to explain why I use it. This is the compartment where your feet and calves go into. We have a zipper around each piece so that you can unzip this and clean it to keep it hygienically safe. On the back, we have a power switch and power cord outlet. On the top, we have a power switch in the center. We have a foot switch and a leg switch to turn the settings on: F0, F1, F2, F3, L0, L1, L2, L3. We have a switch to turn on the heat. We have a switch for the timer, and we have a switch for vibration. I'm going to press the power button now. That will turn this on. You can see there is activity happening. I'm looking on the display. It says that the leg is set to 1, L1, and I don't know what the foot is set to. The foot is set to F2, which is a change in intensity. 0 to 3 is just the intensity setting. It is kneading my calf muscles, and it is also kneading my feet. It's squeezing inward, and it's also rolling on the bottom. Now, why do I use this? I use this for two reasons. Last night I needed to use it because I am flat-footed, and I was exercising without my shoes, and my foot was killing me to the point that I had some tears in my eyes. It was very painful. And I took this, put it on the floor, set it up, got my feet in there. The massager was kneading on the sides of my feet and the rolling on the bottom. It's pretty intense to talk about because it was really rough last night. And after about 10-15 minutes, I was able to stand up and walk across the room, and I went to bed, and I woke up this morning, and now that I think about it, I am not having problems with my feet. So you just saw I was able to move my feet. You're able to position your feet kind of forward or further back. So that's why I use it for my feet. As far as the calf muscle, now there are a lot of massagers out there that massage the feet, and they need the feet, or there are hand massagers that you can use for the calves. There is no massager that I'm aware of that works both of them at the same time. I ride my bicycle about 24 miles at a time, and when I come home, my legs are killing me. They're very tight down here. The calf muscles are very sore. I go to a massage therapist. He digs into my calf muscles, and I jump. When I'm on the table, I jump. It hurts. And they have to stop because they cannot work on the calf muscle because it's so tight and painful. With this unit, I put my legs in here, and this kneads the muscles of the calves. Just kneads the muscles, and afterwards I'm able to dig my fingers into there, and it doesn't hurt. So this is an incredible product. You can purchase this on Amazon. It's worth every penny, let me tell you. The health benefits you'll get out of this, the blood circulation, the relaxed muscles. If you are a woman who wears high heels and you have sore feet, sore arches, if you're flat-footed, if you have plantar fasciitis, if you have circulation problems, this is something that you really should look into buying. This will help you get the blood circulating from the feet and through the legs and up towards the heart. This is a very beneficial item to have. I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the video description. Click on it. It will help me out. It will help you out. It will take you right to Amazon. You can order this right away. It feels great. I'm going to turn this up right now. You might be able to see the activity right in here. I just went up to L2. Now we're up to L3. It's going a little faster. My feet, that's set to F3. Got the vibration just kicked in. I don't need the heat. The heat for me, the heat would probably be very helpful to a lot of people. It's very warm in here right now, and I just don't need the heat. What I need is the grinding and the kneading and the rolling of the bottoms of the feet and the sides of the feet and the kneading at the back of the legs, right at the calf muscle. This is what helps me out a lot. This is a lifesaver for me. It allows me to exercise, allows me to do bike rides, allows me to walk around. And I'll tell you right now, go, after you finish watching this video, take your fingers and dig them into the back of your calf muscles. You're probably going to be shocked how sore and tight they are. That's just how life is. You get sore from walking around and exercising. So this is definitely a massager that you want to buy. Again, check out the link in the video description. This is from TISSCARE.